is such a beautiful day today. Welcome back to my armchair travel adventures for my final day and final activity living like a local in Costa Rica. Now, Costa Rica has over 100 nature walks and trails that you can go to. So today is a perfect day to just be outside, take in nature, feel all that sun, soak in some vitamin D. So, because we just don't only go on nature walks, I decided to have a scavenger hunt bingo for nature, of course. So I'm gonna go and look for certain nature items out here and just be one with nature. All right, I hope everyone enjoying the sun. Have a great day. Bye bye. Dead tree. Oh, a ton of leaves here. We'll just go with this one. We'll just go with that. Next.
Tree stump.
Tree stump. Clouds. There are no clouds. We have no clouds today. Yeah. No bites. Okay, we got nests. A few of them too. Such a great day. Everybody's outside today. It's like the weather just opened up and we're all just out.